Today we are looking at a drip irrigation system, the cost involved, the setup, and then the kind of crops that drip is good for. I have with me here Justice Kankam, Mr. Justice Kankam. Yes, he's from Holland Green Tech. He's into irrigation system, land preparation, and other aspects of agriculture. Welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Ifo. Oh, well, I'm in person of Justice Kankam Bodu. I work with Holland Green Tech Ghana. We have different branches across Ghana. That is in Accra, East Legon, Kumasi, Edum, and we have other reps at the respective regions. Okay. Thank you.
All right, so you are based in Kumasi?
Kumasi, yes.
Okay, how long have you been with Holland Green Tech?
Oh, I've been with Holland Green Tech for more than 4 years.
For more than 4 years. All right, so let's get into today's agenda. We are talking about drip irrigation system. What exactly is drip irrigation system?
Oh, well, it's a nice question.
Yeah.
So when you talk about drip irrigation system, it's the method of watering that deliver water slowly and directly to the root zone of the plants.
Okay. All right.
To minimize water loss.
Okay. All right. So since you are talking about how it minimizes water loss, let's talk about the benefits at once. What benefits does drip irrigation system has?
Yeah, so one benefit is efficiency, water efficiency.
Okay.
And also when you are applying the water, it go to the root zone of the plant.
Okay.
So that one is the one benefit of drip irrigation. It also reduce weeds.
Okay.
Drip irrigation system is suitable for all vegetables.
Okay.
But precisely, if you want to use drip irrigation, you can use it for pepper, garden egg, lettuce, onion, tomatoes, etc., etc.
All right. So we'll be coming to the cost for an acre.
Before you do your setup, you have to prepare your land. So after the land preparation, you have to get 7 components.
7 components.
There's 7 components involved.
Okay.
So you have to get your poly tank.
Polytank.
You have to get your sap main.
Okay.
You have to get your drip tape.
Okay.
The connector with valve.
Okay.
The end cap.
Okay.
Yes. So that are those 7 components.
Okay. So but without people who do not have the poly tank and they have the direct source of water, can they also use it?
Yes, they can also use it by using pumping machine. Pumping straight from the dam or river or stream.
What are some of the most common mistakes that people do when it comes to drip irrigation system? In your 4 years of experience, what do you think are some of the mistakes that farmers have done when it comes to drip irrigation system?
Yeah, so at times when they come to us and we advise them the do's and the don'ts, at times people think that maybe they have watched YouTube and other stuff. So when they venture and maybe at the end they come back to you and you visit the site, you see that they have done a lot of mistakes. So at times people will come to us as a company, maybe I want to do drip irrigation, and you give them the cost. Maybe they want to divert and do different things. So that are those common mistakes that involve.
Okay, so how long does the drip irrigation system, how is the lifespan?
More than 5 years.
More than 5 years. So if you have to install it now, it can take you 5 years before you reinstall. Okay. Is there any way to maintain it?
Yes, there's a way. So you know, our drip irrigation system is how do you call it? Anti-clock.
Okay.
So we have the filter in the poly tank. So when the water keep flowing, you know that there's a lot of debris and filthy things. So you have to wash the filter. So you can do it weekly or twice a week. So that it will not block the emitters.
Okay. How do you determine the correct spacing?
Yeah. So for our drip tape, it is a universal drip tape, and the emitters is 20 centimeters apart. So for instance, if you are growing a pepper, you don't need 20 centimeters apart. So you can go in for 40 centimeters apart. So this one, when you plant one plant here, then you jump to the next to get 40 centimeters. But we have different type of drip system that already is suitable for this particular crop. But this one, they did it in universal in such a way that maybe you want to grow onion, lettuce, you can use this one. But for pepper, the intervals maybe 40 centimeters or 60 centimeters.
Okay. So are there crops that shouldn't use drip irrigation?
That's why in the initial stage I say that drip irrigation system is suitable for all crops.
All crops.
All crops is suitable for all crops, but other irrigation system is not suitable for all crops.
Okay,
yes,
but drip.
So for instance, like if you are growing lettuce, if you are growing spring onion, if you are growing carrots, you can use rain hose. For irrigation system for those leafy vegetables.
Can you use the drip irrigation to give fertilizer or other?
Oh yes, that is a good question.
So
when you talk about drip irrigation system, as I've already said, it gives nutrients or water to the root zone. So for instance, if you want to apply fertilizer, you put it in the tank, or we have different type of system. We can connect the tank at the same time. Venturi system. The Venturi system is specifically for applying fertilizers. Yes. So for instance, if you're using the poly tank, you pour in, you mix the fertilizer and pour it into the tank. Then you open your valve. Then the water will flow through the drip tape, so it will give to the root system of the plant. So it will give you good quality fruits and good yield.
Now let's come to the costs involved when it comes to an acre.
So for instance, so when you come to Holland Green Tech and you want drip irrigation system, the cost for 1 acre is 8,210 Ghana cedis. That is the lay flats, that is the sub main, the drip tape, the connector with valve, the end cap, the drip end caps. That will cost you 8,210 Ghana cedis. And also I'm adding other components like the poly tank. If you're doing 1 acre, you need 10,000 liters of water. So you have to purchase a poly tank that will give you 10,000 liters of water. And the in cost of poly tank is 10,000 liters is approximately, let's say 11,900 and something, almost 12,000 Ghana cedis. And you want to use a pump machine will cost you, let's say 5,000 Ghana cedis, depending on the horsepower that you want to use for an acre. And also if you want to add Venturi to it, so approximately, let's say in an acre, adding all the costs together will be 29,000 Ghana cedis.
So tell us the kind of services you offer. You leave your number and then.
So I work with Holland Green Tech, as I initially said. So if you need quality seeds, irrigation materials, or agricultural input, look no further than Holland Green Tech Ghana. I am the branch manager in Kumasi, so you can reach me on 0541 61 14 89. And we also have another branch, that is the main branch at Acre, that is East Legon. And we also have other reps at respective region like Volta, Wenchi, Edra, Damango. Yes.
All right. Okay. So thank you very much. That is it for the drip irrigation system. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel.